Ready to embrace your dream retirement? Discover the perfect blend of luxury, leisure, and activity in a community called Del Webb at Lake Oconee. Nestled along the shores of Georgia's most beautiful lake, this community invites you to enjoy top-notch amenities, an active lifestyle, and endless opportunities as you actively retire. Isn't it time to start your next chapter in a place where every day can feel like a getaway? Contact me today for more information about this property or to schedule your next tour.